Well, this is the first time I've ridden in snow. It's nasty. I do not like this. I'm hoping it turns into rain and doesn't just stay into snow, man. Oh, it's actually got snow on it. That's not good. Fuck, it ain't gonna happen, is it? What have I done? Crap. Oh, fuck. Okay. I'm doomed, man. Take this easy. Oh fuck, it's settling too. This is the single worst bike I could have taken. I fear this first corner. This is gonna be scary. I need to get home before this settles, man. Oh, don't do this today, man. Of all the days you could do that. I mean, we're going through the snow and this guy is up my arse. What the fuck are you expecting is gonna happen? I'm gonna speed up. I'm never gonna do that. It's snowing. Whoa, fuck, man. and it's facing southeast. A big laser facing southeast. What's there? I want to know. It's southeast, away from London, basically. But what is that? Where is it coming from? As a famous man once said, why are you running? He's a fucking dangerous cunt. That's what he is, man. And look who's parked in it. Fucking hell. Well, you know what I'm gonna do. And you deserve it, 100%. Dude, I need to park in here. Literally the only spot on the entire... Plenty of other room in this parking area you could have gone in. Oh. Change to a normal zone. Made life difficult for no fucking reason at all. So much room in this car park.
I had to deal with the Trojans. Take the reins, I'm back in the race. Direct my life like Christopher Nolan. Breathing fire, leaving mashy. And you get no lotion. Nah, I don't need validation, just appreciation. But I can't settle for tokens. You and me won't get along, cause you just wanna get by. Or you're filthy rich, your time never seems occupied. You afraid to fall, cause you chill with those afraid of heights. I'ma keep on building, I'm not just here to scrape the sky. A marathon is still a race, I stay competitive. I love Lizzie more than you, she ain't argumentative. I roll with my brothers, you roll with representatives. Say you want success, but to you it's not imperative. Why you so negative? But bite me bitch, I've dealt with shit more venomous. You tryna cop, I stop and search, but you can't find the fucks I give. Can't change me, cause I'm always genuine. Although you keep trying to do me dirty, consecutive. Were you in the booth? Nah, you just turn up to shubs. I need this money, Lizzie, why you always look so good? I did what I can, can't never lead to I did what I could to run, Forest run, cause we ain't even out of the woods. My dogs go from Milwaukee's getting these bucks. If we're in the mud, we wading through. Now we won't be getting stuck. Directing this movie, one take, I can't do any cuts. Stomach the pain, I got the guts. I love my G's, they're showing me love. Back on a horse, I had to deal with the Trojans. Take the reins, I'm back in the race. Direct my life like Christopher Nolan. Breathing fire, leaving mashy. And you getting no lotion, I don't need validation, just appreciation. But I can't settle for tokens. You and me won't get along, cause you just wanna get by. Or you're filthy rich, your time never seems occupied. You afraid to fall, cause you chill with those afraid of heights. I'ma keep on building.